Happy birthday, Von Cook! We've got some great specials for you guys this month because it's our birthday. So my first special is eat dessert first, which who doesn't like to eat dessert first? We have our macaron bon mat, our mini bon tray, and then our perforated baking sheet, all for only $95, normally $117. Then we have easy as 1, 2, 3, which it really is, with our small perforated baking sheet, small bon mat, and our spiral bon mold. All of this for only $63, and that would normally be $77. And then the grand finale is our pizza kit, which no party is complete without a pizza. We have our herb pizza dough, we have our Tuscan herb oil, and our silicone pastry brush. All of those for only $24, you guys. Great savings, great fun, great way to celebrate our third birthday. Exciting things happening to celebrate our birthday month, and so definitely check out everything in this newsletter so you don't miss anything important. And I really hope that I get to see all of you at some point, whether virtually or maybe social distancing, some point this month.